Let's make a Negroni. Hi, my name's Bob, and behind the camera we've got Jason. Say buongiorno, Jason.
Buongiorno.
And the reason we're saying buongiorno is because today we're going to make a Negroni, which was created, well, not created by, but the recipe was by Count Camillo Negroni, and that was in Florence, Italy. Very similar, I believe, to the espresso martini story where he went into a bar and he asked for a drink in a certain way. And we ended up with the Negroni, which is one of the cocktails that I'm really quite familiar with because we get through quite a few of these in the summer months. So let's, without further ado, let's crack on. It's worth mentioning as well that we're not professional barmen, and sometimes you might be able to tell, but you have to watch very, very carefully. So what we're going to need is, first of all, we're going to make this in a mixing glass. Mixing glass? Is that what it's
Definitely
called?
a mixing glass, yeah.
Mixing glass. You don't have to. This is how professional barmen do it. So we're going to try and be as professional as possible, aren't we, Jay?
We are.
We are. So this is what we're going to do. I need, first of all, to fill this up with beautiful ice. So I think 6.
Probably 6.
Six.
Yeah.
That's 3. 4. 5. 6. Couldn't remember that one. So there's 6 in there. So 6 of those, and then we're going to add the drinks. And we are going to start with Tanqueray London Dry Gin, for which we need 30 mils. So they're all 30 mils. This is really simple. So 30, of which 10 went onto the counter. I've got to get better at this.
You have. You have.
You're going to sack me, aren't you, eventually?
It wasn't as much as 10, but
next. It wasn't much as 10, but it was too much.
Considerable.
30 mils of Campari. Love Campari. I love bitter things. I love IPAs and all of that business. So
it's a bitter drink, isn't it?
It's a really bitter drink. It's another adult's drink, isn't it?
It is.
And then 30 mils of sweet red vermouth. In that goes. Perfect. And that's it. No, it's not. What we're going to do next, we're going to stir it, haven't we?
You have got to stir it. Bar spoon's what you want.
Bar spoon's what you want. If you haven't got one, you don't use your finger. I've done that before now. You can use a knife or you can use a metal straw.
Metal straw, glass straw, yeah.
So there's a bit of a technique to this, which is leaving the back of it, the back of the spoon to that. And we're going to stir it for 20 to 30 seconds.
20 to 30 seconds.
Get counting, Jason.
Okay, we'll do.
Bet you're glad you switched on this, aren't you?
Could do with a cut in here somewhere, couldn't it?
Maybe.
That'll do you for 20 seconds.
Yay! Pop that over there. What's next, Jay?
I'd get a chilled glass and put a large ice cube in it.
It's a perfect idea. So we're going to swap those over. Chilled glass. We want the large ice cube. I love these things, and I didn't know anything about these until I started hanging around with Jason. And he makes all these himself. That's going to go in there. Pop that in there. And then we've got to strain it in.
Strain it in.
Okay. Let's just strain it. Are you ready? So let's pour that over. Beautiful. Already lovely and chilled. Don't forget, if you're making a few of these, that's not a waste of ice. You can just keep making them until you need to replenish them. Pop that over there. I think there's something involving an orange now, isn't there?
Definitely. Orange wheel we want.
A wheel. Orange wheel. Right, let's take the end off. Jeez, you've sharpened that.
I have.
You really have sharpened that.
You can stop moaning.
Nice and thin. No, we'll get a bigger one than that. Let's do a couple. Let's get a nice big one. And that's going to go in the inside of the glass.
Inside of the glass.
So we're going to pop that in there. But we're also going to take a bit of what we call a swat, which is part of the orange peel. I'll do a bigger one than that. Let's hold it down. And you want this for the essential oils. And the way it took me ages to work out because nobody told me how to do this. Don't just crush it. Just crush it like that. you want that in there, Jason?
No,
No.
discard that.
We just want the oils. That's it. If you smell your fingers afterwards, it smells fantastic. Is that it? Is that the Negroni?
It is Negroni.
It really is that simple. And that's doing it the proper way as well. I mean, imagine at home, you're making that in a glass. Right. Okay, let's have a little try. I mean, I know what these taste like, but let's... Oh, that's good. That's good. No, Jason, you're not trying it.
Thank you.
Have a little go. He won't come on camera, but he will put his arm in, and that's it. What do we think?
Fruity.
Fruity.
Bitter.
Bitter. Yeah.
But very nice.
It really is bitter. It is. I mean, it is. It's an adult's drink, that one, and I'll probably take this home with me now. That's it. That's a Negroni. Listen, thank you very much for watching. As ever, enjoy your alcohol responsibly. Yeah. And if you've got any comments, then please do leave them. Where do they leave them, Jason?
In the comments box below.
In the comments box. It's not postcards anymore, is it? Things have moved on. So yes, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Salut.